All right, good morning, pre-algebra. Hey, not too many of you done yesterday's assignment, so if you get to it, remember you can ask questions in the afternoon. I'll be here, just kind of wait and see if you have anything that you don't understand from yesterday or today. All right, so today we're going to look at polygons. And first thing we're going to do is look at polygons that are polygons and ones that are not. Well, polygons have to have sides and they're a 2D shape. So this is a polygon, kind of ugly. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So it's a hexagon. This one is also a polygon. And so is the triangle. So all those have straight sides. Those are all polygons. Now when we get over here, this one doesn't kind of meet all the way. And so this one is not a polygon. He doesn't get included. This one has a curve in it like this. Nope, not a polygon. It has to have straight sides. This one has sides that cross like this, and so this is no as well. So there's an example of what polygons are. Now at the bottom of, I don't know, it's about page 539, I think. They give you the names for all of these, and the names are all by the sides. But we want to look at right now, though, is regular polygon. A regular polygon is one where all the sides and all the angles are equal to each other or congruent. So this one is, yes, all the sides are congruent. That's a triangle. This one has 5 sides, so it's a pentagon. All the sides are equal and all the angles look like they're equal. So that's good. This one over here, the sides are definitely not the same, or either are the angles. That always happens. So this poor guy is out. Nope, he is not a regular polygon. He is a polygon, but he's not a regular polygon. Okay, the sum of the interior angles. Well, what they're just asking is if you added these 3 angles up in a triangle, what would they add up to? Well, we already know that triangles add up to 180 degrees. So that's just kind of by definition. But what you do from there is you take the next shape and we're going to cut that into 2 triangles. And so this triangle would be 180 and this would be 180. And if you add those together, you get 360 degrees. If you go to a pentagon, I can draw 1, 2, 3 of them there. And so, and make sure your lines don't cross when you do this. So 1, 2, 3. So I want to know what 3 times 180 is. And that will give you 540. Now when we go to a hexagon, 1, 2, cut that one like that. And we can make 4 times 180. And 4 times 180 will give you 720 degrees. That means that if you added all these angles up inside, just like we did in a triangle, they'd add up to 720. And you keep going from there to a septagon, an octagon, a nonagon, and a decagon. But that's the idea of how you do that. So let's say you want the measure of each interior angle. Now, all these that they give you are regular polygons. And so all you have to do is take your sum, which is 180, and divide it by how many angles there are. There are 3 of them. So that means each angle is 60 degrees in my triangle. If I did it with my quadrilateral, they add up to 360. And I'm going to divide it by how many angles there are. Well, there's an angle here, 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 and here. So there's 4 of them. So that means they're each 90 degrees, which we kind of knew already. Now, if you go to a pentagon, the angles all added up to 540. But this time we divide by how many there are, which is 5. And 540 divided by 5 will give us 108 degrees. That means each of these angles in here are 108 degrees. And the last one is 720. And we're going to divide that by 6. And so 720 divided by 6 is 120 degrees. So that's how big each side are. So once you know how many sides there are, I'm going to give you a little shortcut on this. Let's say that you have a pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. Subtract 2, and that will tell you that you can draw 3 triangles. We discovered that from just doing it over here. We could draw 3 triangles. So let's say they gave you something that had 20 sides on it. And they want to know how big each of the angles, or the sum of the interior angles was. Well, you'd subtract 2 and go 18 times 180. And that would give you, whatever that is, that would give you the total for the sum of the things. And then they want how big each one of them was, you would take this answer and divide it by 20 because that's how many angles there were. But this should give you the idea of what to do. For your assignment today, page 541 through 542, it's only 1 through 23 odds. So I think there's 12 problems there. Please check in the back of the book to make sure that you're getting those right. And again, you can always text and ask me for help if you need it. Have a great day.